This is our e-commerce ROI calculator. What we're going to do is enter some sample benchmarks of your current KPIs using your current website or shopping cart analytics, and then we're going to put in some scenarios to see what happens when we come in and improve traffic or conversion rates through the funnel and even retention rates. So let's see what this thing does. So we're going to enter everything in gray. I've already put some information in here, including, let's go to the bottom here, just for this exercise, is marketing and advertising costs per month, as well as management fees. So it's $18,000 in marketing spend. So let's circle back to the top right here. Website visitors, how many do you get per month? Let's just say 10,000. How many of those visit product pages? That would be 6,000. And you can see with the calculator, everything is going to move across until we change the formulas or the scenarios. How many cart visitors do you get per month on average? 600. Now again, we can do this for specific products. We're just doing this as an exercise for the total store. So your product to cart rate is 10%. Now, what percent of people who put in products in cart actually go and buy? Look at the numbers. Let's just say it's 20%. So that's 120 transactions, and your cost per transaction is $108 because we have the marketing spend in here. Your average transaction value is $79. That's what we put in. So your total gross revenue is $94.80. If you want to reduce some margin, so this exercise is 10%. You can put more, you can put less, or not put it all. So your net revenue is $8,500, and per customer is $71. Now that's just based on one buy, so that we always want to include lifetime value in here. So if you're a subscription model, we can put in your average retention time, like 6 months or a year. Or we can put in an actual number, which would be, let's reduce this, and say the average lifetime value based on your e-commerce reports or your platform will tell you, let's just say it's $200. Total revenue with lifetime value now is $24,000. And of course the marketing spend here, so your ROI is 33%. Let's see if we can improve that. So as everything is brought across here, we can play around with all these scenarios. Let's say we get more people. Let's say the website traffic is the same, but we get more people visiting your cart because of, message optimizations and things like that. Let's say it's 25%. So what you see is the product page visitors go up to 7,500. All the other metrics are the same, right? Because the cart visitors are still the same. Just because more people visited the product page doesn't mean anything unless more people add to cart and buy. So let's just say at the same time we get more people visiting your cart. Let's say that goes up 25%. Here we go. So now cart to purchase is now from 20 to 25%. That means you have more transactions. Everything else is the same. And now your ROI is 67% because we improved your e-commerce conversion rate. Let's do another scenario. Let's just say we get more people from your product to your cart. 25%. And because we're more efficient with advertising spend and messaging, even though the advertising spend is the same, let's say we get you 25% more traffic. So now we have more traffic, 25% more, and the product to cart rate is 13%. But the transactions are still the same because that's still 20%, right? So let's go and improve that as well. So now with more traffic, more people putting products in cart, and a higher conversion rate, now you have 188 transactions. And everything else being the same, now your ROI is 108%. The final scenario is we keep everything the same, and let's just say we increase your lifetime value because we do better cross-selling and upselling. Let's say that's increased 25%. So now you see what happens down here is your lifetime value goes from 200 to 250. Nothing else has really changed except for that, so you did get 67% better ROI as compared to 33 from the base. Now, again, playing with these calculators, you could say, okay, well, we increased retention rate, but let's also increase our conversion rate even 10%. So now it's 83% as compared to the base of 33%. So we can go through all these based on our goals, but you can see there's various levels of percentages that we can enter in the calculator and look at the scenarios and see how we can fix them based on better messaging, better design, better promotions, value proposition, better media, all those things together, better testing, better everything really can improve your conversion rate, which is what our goal is, so that we can also improve retention as well. And that's how it works.